Hey guys, long time no see. I wasn't gonna make this a video, but literally just right now I decided that I might as well, just for the part numbers and the torque specs. So I'm just gonna install this sway bar and these Superpro rear diff inserts. The sway bar is an OEM sway bar, but I forget when. I think in 2016 or 17 they switched from a 20mm sway bar to a 19. So I'm gonna put the old one on, which is the 20mm. Here's the part number. I believe this comes on the S209. And then here are the stabilizer bushings. Let's see about that. It's hard to see. That's the part number. Already got one of them on over there. And these are the Superpro parts. There's the part number. Yeah. So I mean, I have other parts that I need to install for the suspension, the control arms, the toe links, and the trailing arms. Actually over there, those boxes. But I'm not really feeling like working too much, so I'm just gonna do this and knock this out. Okay. So what I've done so far is the car's on jack stands, and the wheels are off. And right now I've removed the bolts for the bracket. That is right there. I have to do it on this side, so just for reference, that right there, those are 12mm bolts. The right. Brackets have been removed. Now I'm going to remove this bolt from the end link to separate the sway bar. Okay, so as you can see, there's the free end link. Sway bar has been removed. I did want to say that I actually had to put the brackets, those brackets, I actually had to put them back on here in order to be able to twist the bolt off of that. So don't be like me, take that bolt off first and then take the brackets off of here. I wanted to show how much thicker this one is. As you can see, just over 20mm. This is the new one. Here's the old one. So now, since the sway bar is removed, we have room to get in here. I actually couldn't use my 1/2" ratchet, so I went down to a 3/8" ratchet to fit, because I was hitting against the spare tire wheel well. So anyways, so I removed that bolt, that nut. As you can see, it's still on that side, so we need to remove those in order to install the inserts. And those are 17mm nuts, by the way. So I'm gonna remove them, then I'll be back. Done. You know, I didn't film it because I figured there's so much videos on how to change a sway bar. But anyways, there is the bracket put back. Those bolts were 30 Nm, and that bolt for the end link was 38 Nm. Here are the bushings. Those were a pain. I cannot say how much difficulty those gave me. My thumbs hurt, but there they are. Those are 70 Nm. Yeah, guys, more to come. Bye.